Yo, what's up everyone, it's SMT here and welcome back for a brand new motovlog. I'm out here in the woods just, I just got home from school and it's like, you know what, why not ride? It's like 7 p.m. but like, I just want to ride, just out the new audio setup, because I just fixed my microphone so maybe it will sound better. Because like, in my opinion, if the audio quality is going to be as bad as it was in my last motovlog, it's not going to be really worth like motovlogging, because I don't want to produce bad videos, so... that sucks. I could get in here, but someone is here with a bike. I don't really want to do it. This is like big spots right here where I could do donuts, but I'm not going to. Feels like when I'm smashing down, my forks are gonna go bam, and then it's just gonna be broken off. Which would not be good, because that costs like $1,000 or something for new forks. My plans for right now, I wanted to go to Frihamnen säsongsavslut, season end. That's one of the biggest, I think that is the biggest or second biggest moped meet, ride out, stunt sessions in Sweden. But then I need to find somewhere to have the bike for the night, and I need to have a trailer to get there, because in Stockholm, and I also want, and also I don't know about the times when it is and where you go and stuff. I mean, I could find a way to Frihamnen, but I want to be on the ride as well. So yeah, maybe next year I try to do like the start and the actual one and the season end. You know, you never know. It's like, I think it might be next weekend actually, or it was this weekend, I'm not too sure. If you know, let me know in the comment section down below. That was just a moose on the road. Holy shit. Ja. Resten blir körkortet. Hej!
Lugnt och stilla.
Va?
Lugnt och stilla ikväll.
Jag är ute och åker lite grann.
Ja. Hur gammal är du då?
Jag är 15.
15?
Jag har körkort och allt.
Ja, har du med det?
Ja, vill ni se det?
Ja, jättegärna.
Ja, då ska ni få det här då. Där har ni.
Tackar. Var bor du någonstans då?
Jag bor borta i... Det finns ingenstans att åka där, så jag åker in.
Håller grejerna i ordning va? Inte något krimogrejer?
Nej då, ingenting.
Är du rolig?
Ja.
Försiktigt så att du ramlar.
Det ska jag göra.
Bara fortsätta ut där.
Ja, tack. Detsamma. Hej då. So what happened was I was down practicing wheelies at like a parking lot next to a school and next to a pizzeria. The guys over at the pizzeria looked at me a lot, and they talked on the phone, so they're probably calling the cops. I mean, like, they're kind of chill, you know what I mean? Like, they probably didn't, didn't care. And then I went away, and I was at a dirt bike track, or like a path in the woods. And I was like, let's go back, do more wheelie practice, and practice some wheelies, and then head home because it's getting late. And then I see I didn't do a wheelies, thankfully. I just looked up, like to my right, and there is a brand new cop car rolling up. I was like, what should I do? I'm not gonna get pulled over, so I just kind of like went up, and it's the most suspicious thing ever. Just went up to the woods. Kind of dumb, but I mean, I didn't want to get pulled over, so. And then I stopped in the woods, sent a Snapchat to my buddy, and I see like one of those wild rabbits sitting on like the field, and I see like the thing just ran away. I was like, wait, that means there's a car coming. And I could suddenly hear a car, so I just turned around and kept going, just like it's not suspicious. I'm just sitting there, so I just kept going, like I was just riding up there. And then when the cops came up I could see him in my rear wheel mirror, I stopped because there's no reason to run. I mean, if you test drive it, 52 kilometers an hour. I mean, an aftermarket muffler and a removed restrictor, and a new gearing. I mean, like, yeah, it's illegal, but I mean, it's keeping things together. And then I stopped, they rolled up, checked as to how old I am, if I have my driver's license. I didn't ask, I just gave it to them, and they checked it, and it's all good. I mean, being respectful to the cops, it worked. That was my first time getting pulled over. Not really pulled over, the blue lights wasn't on, but yeah, first time getting stopped on the bike. And I mean, they want to go home. It's like 8 p.m. So I mean, like, I wasn't expecting them to like have like test drive it and stuff, but I was so scared. I was like, fuck, my driver's license going away, fuck. So yeah, but I'm good. I still have my driver's license right here. I'm probably gonna blur it out, but I still got my driver's license, and my bike is still here, and I'm gonna go back now and go home. And that's pretty sick, bro. So I just got pulled over, and they did not test drive my bike, so I still got my license. So yesterday I was doing some wheelie practice, nothing special happened, although I got some big progress. And then I mean, in a video it doesn't look like I was close, but I was pretty close. I was probably like 50 meters from a moose and her child, so that was pretty scary. I didn't really know what to do, and then just honked at them, they went away. And then today I have some more wheelie practice, did some dirt bike trails, and then I got stopped by the cops. So if you guys like this video and see more like this and edits, make sure you absolutely smash that like button and you subscribe to my channel, because I post this every single week, or at least I try. During the winter it might be hard because it's kind of cold in Sweden, but I'll try my best to ride in the winter as well to make videos for you guys. And yeah, so hopefully you enjoy that, and until next time, stay awesome, be positive, and I'm out. Take it easy, peace.